Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubbles video. First, gather your essential materials: dish soap, water, and glycerin. Next, choose a well-lit location, ideally outdoors or near a large window to ensure bright, clear footage. Finally, prepare your camera for stable recording. Using a tripod will help keep your shots steady and professional. Crafting the perfect bubble solution is key. Start by combining 1 cup of dish soap with 4 cups of warm water. Then, add 2 tablespoons of glycerin or corn syrup. This ingredient makes your bubbles stronger and last longer. Remember to stir the mixture gently to avoid creating too much foam, which can prevent good bubble formation. When filming, focus on capturing the magic. Use a macro lens or zoom in closely to reveal the intricate details and vibrant colors of each bubble. Experiment with various lighting angles to highlight their beautiful iridescence. For truly stunning visuals, record your bubbles in slow motion at 60 frames per second or even higher to capture their delicate movements. Finally, it's time to polish your masterpiece. Select your best slow motion clips, focusing on unique bubble movements and beautiful bursts. Enhance the mood by adding a soft, ambient background music track. A little subtle color correction can make the iridescent colors of your bubbles truly pop, creating a captivating and memorable video for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.